another video, and today I'm gonna be opening like a few packs, like loads of packs. I have, I believe, 2 pack openers, and I'm gonna be opening packs on both. So let's just get into opening the packs. These are like almost, wow, Yashin first pack, 94 Yashin in first pack. Oh, I almost broke my high score if you look at the top left. That's such a good pack. Sanchez, Bender, Yashin, all the good people. Seriously. Okay, next pack. No icon. Rando. He's decent. That's actually a decent pack. An icon again. Hernandez. Yeah, Hernandez, 87. Pretty good. Oh! 92 Neymar. Wow. I might have my daily 3 packs. I might have opened them. Can't remember. Damn, I opened them all. Let's go. Yes, an icon. Loudrup. Nice. These icons. Whoopsie days. Okay. Company. Okay, he's decent. I guess he's decent. Let's see. Come on. No icon. Come on. Okay, next time I get a 90 plus icon, I'm going to be leaving this pack opener, and I am going to be going into the next pack opener. Oh, Ferdinand. Nice. Wow, I'm getting lots of icons, which is pretty good. Come on, let's go. He's very noble. I just got a Bravo. Okay. Let's see. Okay, an icon. Van Basten. 91 Van Basten. Okay, that means we're gonna be moving on to what the heck? 2 icons in the same pack. Okay, that means we're gonna be moving on to the next pack opener, which is Foot Pack Opener by Tasty Bits. They do pretty good foot pack openers every single year. And, you know, it's kind of a tradition I do now. Just buying their, well, not buying, just getting their pack openers. They also do foot drafts as well. I am not going to show that today, but I did show it in my my games video. So don't forget to check that out. It's all the tablet games I play. So we're just opening packs here. It's slightly boring, but then when you get a really good player, you know, it's pretty good. Oh, come on. Here. Okay, guys, I just got a good player here. He isn't new. Messi? I know I have Messi already, but that's a pretty good player to pack. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm not actually getting any good players in this at all. So we might move across to the other pack opener again, because it's actually easier to get better players. So next time we get a walkout, and I'm sorry, but you'll have to look at me trying to get a walkout. Yeah, just messing. So guys, I couldn't actually get a walkout for ages, so let's hope not. Okay, we'll just move across now. Okay, this is just better for getting icons. Not icon first time, but I thought I got Suarez, but obviously not. Oh, icon here, icon here, icon here. Piero. Del Piero 92. Oh, that's a dirty card. Good card, basically. Sorry. Gary Cahill, okay. Pretty bad, okay. Danilo Pereira. Again, no. Oh, come on. Seriously. Okay. Who's this? Who's this? Who is this? Ray Costa. Okay. Pretty good packs here. Next time I get an icon, I'm going to have to leave this video here. Okay. Frankfurt Willems. Okay. Let's just hope I get an icon that's good. Like, imagine getting 98 Pele. Damn, you're like 75 rated. Seriously? Nope, not an icon. Come on, give me like a good, like a Pele. A Pele would do perfectly for the end of the video. But obviously not. So, that is a dead pack. Give me a good... No, this is doing the same thing the other pack opener was doing. Okay, I guess Vertonghen is alright, but it isn't the best card. Like, he isn't a Nike. Ha! Oh, Maldini. Oh, I forgot that it wasn't Maldini. That's stupid. But 97 Maradona, the second best card in the game. Oh, that is huge. That is sick. Oh my god, the pack. How did I not break it? What the heck? Didn't even... Okay, that's a good finish. I have to leave it there, guys, before it gets too...